In this video, you'll learn how to customize MyUCLA. You can change the home feature page and add to your favorites on the My Features main menu. Go to Customize MyUCLA under Settings or Add/Remove Features under the My Features menu. Your current home feature is a study list page. This is the default home page for all current and former students. In order to change your home feature, choose from the features listed here and select Save. The next time you log into MyUCLA, you will be directed to the Change Feature page. The Favorite Features tab allows you to add or remove features as your favorites. Notice that there are already some features under My Features by default. You can add more features that you use frequently by simply clicking Add to Favorites. Once you refresh the page, your new favorite features will show up under My Features. This concludes our video.